Penrite was founded in 1926, and from then we've been an Australian-owned and managed business, and till this day we still are. So we're nudging nearly 100 years of manufacturing experience in Australia. We're now in Dandenong, and we employ about 150, 170 people. Being an Australian-owned and managed business, we wanted to align ourselves with another business of a similar understanding and business ethic as we do. So we aligned ourselves with Matthews to bring their technology and product innovation into our business as well. So with over 500 SKUs, we wanted to make sure that our products reached our customers all of the information on the bottle and on the carton that they needed to make that decision to purchase our products. Previously, our process for labelling and traceability with batch number was very manual, very paper-driven. Using the technologies provided by Matthews, we've been able to integrate the Matthews products into our systems. Our line efficiencies and traceabilities has brought us into the 21st century. After our initial meeting with Matthews, we described and outlined what we wanted to achieve within our manufacturing facility. Matthews then sat down with us and went through what products they had which would suit and enable us to meet our visions and goals. And using their products, we're stepping now in the right direction to where we want to be. One of the key benefits of using Matthews was their IDS net. That IDS net allowed us to tie in our existing ERP system, their continuous label printers and their carton label applicators to be able to give us that total end-to-end software/hardware solution. Another key aspect to utilising Matthews was their ability to support us 24/7. We're having offices in Queensland and in Melbourne with our manufacturing facilities. We needed that support infrastructure Australia-wide 24/7. The products that we've sourced from Matthews have met our requirements for both reliability and ease of operation. What we've also found is that our workers on our lines have been able to adapt to that technology and been able to embrace that technology and use it from day to day with no issues at all. Matthews' technology innovation has really helped to grow our product efficiencies on our product lines to where we want to take it and where we want to take our business to the 21st century.